AI21 Labs versus OpenAI. Which AI model is better for question answering? In this video, we're diving into the question that many of you are curious about. Which of these two powerful AI models is better for answering your questions? Stay tuned, because I'll give you a breakdown that'll help you make a better informed decision and, by the end, offer you a better alternative to consider. Let's kick things off with AI21 Labs. Now, AI21 Labs has created some impressive language models with their flagship product, Jurassic, one being one of the top competitors in the AI space. What sets it apart? Well, Jurassic, one is built with a focus on providing more accurate and context-aware responses. This means that when you ask a question, it strives to understand the nuance behind it, delivering more tailored answers. However, while the model does a great job at keeping things relevant, it can sometimes struggle with consistency, particularly on more complex or multi-step questions. Next thing, let's talk about OpenAI and its model, GPT-3. OpenAI's GPT-3 has been a massive player in the AI world for a while now. Its sheer size, 175 billion parameters, means it's capable of understanding and generating language in incredibly sophisticated ways. When it comes to question answering, GPT-3 is fantastic at providing direct, straightforward answers. But here's the catch: while it's great for basic queries, it sometimes falls short when you need deeper reasoning or highly specialized knowledge. For instance, ask GPT-3 a very technical question, and the answer may lack depth, even if it sounds convincing at first glance. The fourth thing to consider is how these models handle context. AI21 Labs Jurassic, one handles context better in certain scenarios, especially when the conversation involves longer form content or detailed follow-up questions. OpenAI, on the other hand, tends to lose track of earlier parts of a conversation more easily, especially if you've asked multiple questions in one go. This can be a deal breaker if you're looking for a more consistent, flow-oriented conversation. Then there's the fact that OpenAI's GPT-3 has been more widely adopted, which means it benefits from a stronger community and more robust tooling. For example, its integration with tools like ChatGPT allows it to be more accessible and versatile across different applications. But while it's versatile, GPT-3 can sometimes overgenerate or veer off topic, especially with open-ended questions. It's not always as sharp as you need when precision is required. AI21 Labs is trying to address some of these issues with their focus on controlling the model's output. They've been actively working to improve their language model's ability to avoid irrelevant responses or unnecessary fluff. But the downside is, it's not as widely used or as integrated into various products as OpenAI's GPT-3, so you may run into some hurdles when it comes to compatibility or support. Now, both of these AI models are incredibly powerful in their own right, but if I had to choose, I'd say AI21 Labs offers a bit more in terms of accuracy and contextual awareness for question answering. However, the true winner will depend on your specific needs, whether you prioritize raw power, ease of use, or contextual depth. But here's the thing: all the software mentioned is good, but if you want a better alternative for your question answering needs, one that offers unique benefits and better results, I'd recommend you check out the link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Make sure to take advantage of that free trial. It's the best deal out there. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore the first link in the description for the ultimate AI solution.